Jai Srimannarayana. 17th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tesham jnani nityayuktaha ekabhaktihi visishyate प्रियो हि ज्ञानिनः अत्यर्थम् अहं स च मम प्रियः। ओम Worship Sri Krishna Paramatma alone, seeking perpetual attachment with Sri Krishna Paramatma and devote to Sri Krishna Paramatma alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma becomes dear to you and you will become more and more inexpressibly dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall worship you alone. I shall devote myself to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam. पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। श्रीमद्भागवतमु 10th skandham, Dasama skandham, 36th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad-Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, now it is the time for Sri Krishna Paramatma to be born. At that time, the time itself becoming so auspicious. Adha sarvagunopetaha kalah paramasobhanaha yarihi ajanajanma ruksham santaruksha grahatarakam praseduhu gaganam nirmalavudu udayam mahi bhuishtapuragrama akaraha." స్వచ్ఛంబులై పొంగె జలరాసులేడును గల ఘోషణములు మేఘంబులురిమే గ్రహతారకలతోడ గగనంబురాజిల్లే దిక్కులు మిక్కిలి తెలివిదాల్చే కమ్మని చల్లని గాలి మెల్లన వీచే హోమానలంబు సెన్నొంది వెలిగే ఆ దేవదేవుని దేవకీ దేవి గణగా. At the time of Paramatma's Avirbhavam, at the time of Devaki Devi giving birth to Sakshat Devadeva Paramatma Sriman Narayana, at that time entire universe became so beautiful and everywhere such a great amount of peace is filled. There is Rohini Nakshatram came up. All the nakshatras are glowing. Surya, Chandra and all other planets are very peaceful. All the directions are so pleasant. And all the stars are giving their light. Towns, villages, everywhere, entire Dharani, entire Bhumi is becoming so peaceful and became so auspicious. There are so many rivers, ponds, all of them are flowing with so great amount of peaceful streams. And all the jalasayas, all the ponds are glowing with so much of beauty. There are so many birds giving their beautiful noises. They are singing. And wind is flowing, wind is blowing without any dust in it. All the devatas, sadhus, all their manas, their minds are very pleasant. Like that, the entire universe is welcoming Sri Krishna Paramatma's Avirbhavam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 17th sloka. Tesham Jnani Nityayuktaha Eka Bhaktir Visishyate Priyo Hi Jnaninotyardham Aham Sacha Mama Priyaha. Tesham Jnani Nityayuktaha Eka Bhaktir Visishyate Priyo Hi Jnaninotyardham Aham Sacha Mama Priyaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.